Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove the door panel, door lock, door handles and windows regulator from a Peugeot 207. So first of all, to remove the door panel you have to remove 3 T20 bolts, one here, and another one is here. Now all you have to do is lift the door panel upwards like this and disconnect this window switch. So to remove the interior door handle, all you have to do is to remove the handle to this direction and you see it disconnected. Now just release this part towards you and release the cable. To do this, all you have to do is to push this pin with a flat screwdriver and you will release it from the cable. After you release the cable, just push this cable upward and that's it. You disassemble the door handle. The second part you can disassemble very easily is the speaker. This is an aftermarket speaker, but still you have this T20 bolts. All you have to do is undo them and unplug the cable. Now, so we can have a better view on the door lock, we need to remove this cover. You can see it's very easy. If you want, you can take a sharp knife and remove it from here, but it's removed. You can remove it quite quickly, and it's very strong material, so it mostly won't rip off. If you want to remove the window regulator and motor, all you have to do is undo this, and then you need to remove with the driller the nits. You have one here and another one here. You can see the edge of my finger. You do this, take the windows into the middle, and you have like a T20 bolts, two T20 bolts. Undo them and then push the window with your hands upwards and the motor will be released. And then you need to, you can see it's have like a small hook here and another one here, so you need to push the window motor or regulator upwards and into the door, and then you can take it out. I advise you to put like a cardboard here after you disconnect the window from the regulator so it won't fall down and break. And now how to undo the exterior door handle and lock. So we will start with the lock. You have two T40 bolts here and you have another T20 bolt here that release the exterior door handle. And another important thing, so when you undo the screw from the lock so it will be loose, you need to release the cable from here and push it towards this direction, and you can see here the lock is loose. So now we need to undo the handle. So as I told you, you have a T20 bolt here that we need to release. Here, to undo it you need to open the door handle, and this is the lock. Take the rubber out and push it towards the door, towards the inner part of the door handle, and that's it. This is the lock, and the final part is to unplug it from the wire. Push this gray pin upwards and release it like this. That's it. Thank you very much. If the video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more videos on how to disassemble Peugeot 207 parts, please subscribe to our channel. If you need parts for your Peugeot 207, please contact us in the email below. We ship worldwide. Thank you very much.